Good evening, students. Welcome you all. Here also I will discuss a numerical question on capacitor. Actually, this is also combination of capacitor question. This question is asked in every board examination. And this question is very important. So write here that this is VBI question. Very important question. This is VBI VIP person होते हैं ना, very important question. Like that, this is very important question. You all are VIP students, right? Okay. Understand that what is the question? They have given a C1 capacitor. Here they have given C2, C3, C4 capacitor, and in between this, can you see this point is C, this point is B. Here this point is A. Between A and B point, they have connected a 300 volt power supply. This question is also given in NCERT book. Actually, when you will see this network now, you will not understand that which capacitor is in series and which one is in parallel. For example, I have no idea that this capacitor is in parallel with this or no. Then what I will do? I will break this network. मैं इस नेटवर्क को पहले तोड़ूंगा and then we will make an easy network and then we can understand that this is connected in series or parallel. How I will break the network? See that one. For breaking the network, what I will do? That I will take a point A here. I will take a point A here. Let's say this point is A. See that how I will break this network. From A, which point is connected? C. So from A point is connected, that is C. That is C. And then what is here? That from C there is a capacitor. From C there is a capacitor. And this capacitor is C3. Which capacitor is there? C3. And its capacitance is 200 picofarad. Its capacitance is 200 picofarad. I will write here from. See, one thing more you have to understand here. From C, that from C there is two branches. One branch is this, one branch is this. So from C there is two branches. So I will make both branches. From C there is two branches. In one branch, you can see that from C, in one branch there is C3 capacitor, right? And then there is C2 capacitor. Then there is C2 capacitor. Clear? C3 capacitor is how much? 200 picofarad. How much? 200 picofarad. And C2 capacitor is how much? 200 picofarad. And from C there is another branch also. And C2 is connected with what? C2 is connected with G. So let's say this point is G. Between C and D, between C and D there is another capacitor, that is C1. So this is C point, this is D point. So between C and D there is another capacitor, that is what? That is C1. Which capacitor is there? There is a capacitor, that is C1. This capacitor is C1. And C1 is how much? 100 picofarad. When you will solve this question, then you have to keep patience. You have to solve it slowly. So this is 200 picofarad, 200 picofarad, this is 100 picofarad. From point D, there is another capacitor, that is C4. So from point D, there is another capacitor connected, that is C4. And C4 is how much? 100 picofarad. And from C4, there is a point B. There is a point B. And from between point A and B, there is a potential difference of 300 volt. And from point A, see, positive terminal is connected. Bigger one is positive, smaller one is negative. So from point A, positive terminal is connected. So we will make positive terminal here. And this is connected like this. This is connected like this. Clear? Clear? This potential difference is how much? 300 volt. This is how much? 300 volt. Okay, now understand this one. That when you have understand this one, then what you will do? This is 100 picofarad. 100 picofarad. Now this circuit and this circuit is 100% same. This circuit and this circuit is 100% same. I am explaining it once again. That this is point A. I will make point A. Point A is connected with C. Then from C there is two branches. So there is two branches. in one turn C3 and C2 capacitor is there, in another turn C1 capacitor is there, and then from point D, C4 capacitor is connected, and between point A and B there is a potential difference of 300 volts. Now see that this and this capacitor is connected in series or parallel. क्या एक ही लाइन में है? Yes. Both starting point is different. Yes. This is starting from where? This is starting from where? So both is in same line. That means this is series. तो ये दोनों series में है. So what I will do in the next figure, from this I will make this, and from this in the next figure will be what? Like this. See here, this is A, this is C. Here is 100 picofarad, so I will make 100 picofarad, and then here is C3 and C2. So now we will take equivalent capacitance of C3 and C2. This is connected in series. So whenever capacitor is connected in series, what is the formula of equivalent capacitance? Two capacitors connected in series. So either you can calculate by 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, or directly you can apply C equivalent is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. If there is two capacitors which is connected in series, then directly you can apply this formula. So C equivalent will be what? C1 C2. That is 200 into 200 divided by 200 plus 200. Clear? So this will be how much? And 200 plus 200 will be 400. Clear? So 20 cancel. This will be how much? 50. 50 microfarad. Clear? So this. Oh sorry. No. This is 200, no? 200 into 200 by 200 plus 200. Oh, sorry. 200 into 200 will be 4 पे 40. Clear? And this will be 400. So 20 will be cancel. This will be how much? 100 picofarad. So this will be how much? 100 picofarad. So this is C2 and C3 capacitor equivalent. This is equivalent of C2 and तो C2 और C3 का इक्विवेलेंट कितना है? 100 picofarad. So here we will have 100 picofarad. Clear? This is equivalent of C2 and C3. And from this point D, there is another capacitor that is C4, and this is how much? 100 picofarad. And then there is a point B, and then there is a connection of 300 volt. There is a connection of 300 volt. Up to this clear? Any confusion? Now see our next figure. What will be our next figure? I am making my next figure here. I have some space problem in this question because this question is little bit, it will take some more space. So see, from here I am making the diagram here. The next diagram will be like this. This is point A, this is point C. Now see, equivalent of C2, C3, and this one is what? C1. This one is what? C1. So what will be the equivalent of C1, C2 and C3? This capacitor is connected in parallel, and what will be equivalent capacitance in parallel? Directly summation C1 plus C2. So this will be what? So if you will take the equivalent of C1, C2 and C3, then this equivalent will be 100 picofarad plus 100 picofarad. That will be 200 picofarad. And then there is another capacitor that is C4. Then there is another capacitor that is C4. And C4 is how much? 100 picofarad. 100 picofarad. This point was D. So make it, this point was D. So this point is what? D. Clear? Clear. And then there is a combination. This point was what? B. This point is B. I am writing here. And between A and B, what is there? Between A and B, there is a 300 volt power supply. There is a 300 volt power supply. So I have supplied the power. Clear? Now see, C1, C2, C3. This is equivalent of C1, C2 and C3. That is first capacitor, second capacitor and third capacitor. तो तीनों का इक्विवेलेंट कितना है? 200 picofarad, and this is C4. So this capacitor and this capacitor is connected in series, and in series what will be equivalent capacitor? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, right? So what will be equivalent capacitor? See here. If I will replace this both capacitor by a single, so that will be C equivalent. So how we will calculate C equivalent? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So what will be this? 200 into 100 divided by 200 plus 100, right? So 200 into 100 will be how much? This will be 200 plus 100 will be 300. So 20 will be cancelled. That means 200 by 3. This will be picofarad. So equivalent capacitance of C1, C2, C3, C4. Equivalent capacitance of C1, C2, C3 and C4. All equivalent will be how much? 200 by 3 picofarad. All equivalent will be equal to 200 by 3 picofarad. Is it clear? And then this is connected with 300 volt power supply. This is connected with 300 volt power supply. Now what I have to do? I have to go in a reverse manner. Now question is not complicated. First answer is complicated. Then what is the equivalent capacitance of all these capacitors? So what will be the equivalent capacitance of all the capacitors? So there is 4 capacitors, C1, C2, C3, C4, and equivalent capacitance of all the capacitors will be 200 by 3 picofarad. But still question is not completed. We have to find charge and capacitance on each capacitor. Charge and capacitance on each capacitor. So how we will calculate that thing? Now we will do back calculation. Back calculation means if suppose from Delhi if I can go Patna, then from Patna also I can go Delhi. अगर मैं दिल्ली से पटना जा सकता हूँ तो पटना से भी तो दिल्ली जा सकते हैं. That is back calculation, right? So what I will do? Initially I have come from this position to this position. Now I will go back. So from here I will go from here to here, then from here, then from here, and then my final answer will come. Now see here, that here potential is how much? 300 volt. What is the equivalent capacitance? 200 by 3. 200 by 3. So we know one formula. Which formula? Q is equal to CB. Which formula we know? Q is equal to CB. B is given, C is given. Can we calculate Q? Yes, we can calculate Q using C into B. How much is the C? C is 200 by 3. How much is the B? 300. So something will cancel. This will be 100. So 200 into 100 will be how much? This one will be picocoulomb. Charge will be picocoulomb. Why? Because this is picofarad. No? Picofarad means 8 to 10 to the power minus 12. So this will be picocoulomb. So 20,000 picocoulomb. How much will be the charge here? 20,000 picocoulomb. Now see here. Now what concept we know that whenever capacitor is connected in series, then charge on each capacitor will be same. So यहाँ से when I will go back, then I can see that C1, C2, C3, this and this capacitor and this capacitor are connected in series. क्या? This capacitor and this capacitor is connected in series. Is it? So both capacitor is connected in series. So in series combination charge will be same. तो जितना charge यहाँ पे होगा, same charge will be here. So amount of charge which is present on the equivalent same charge will be distributed here. तो यहाँ पे कितना charge है? How much is the charge? 20,000 picocoulomb. So here will be also how much? 20,000 picocoulomb. 20,000 picocoulomb. And here will be also how much? 20,000 picocoulomb. Clear? So this is C4. Now see about C4. C4 पे कैपेसिटेंस कितना है? 100 picofarad. चार्ज कितना है? 20,000 picocoulomb. So what will be potential on C4? How will we calculate potential? See from this formula, potential will be Q by C. So for calculating potential, what we will do? Q by C. So potential, how we will calculate potential of both? Let me write V4. V4 means potential of both capacitor. What will be this? V4 will be Q by C. How much is the Q? 20,000 picocoulomb. 20,000 picocoulomb divided by Q by C. C is how much? 100. So 20 will cancel. That means how much? 200 volt. So what is the potential on both capacitor? 200 volt. What is charge on both capacitor? 20,000 picocoulomb. And what is the capacitance of point capacitor? 100 picofarad. So we have calculated everything. Now this is equivalent of C1, C2 and C3. Now come here. C1, C2 and C3 are connected in parallel. And in parallel combination, which thing will be same? Potential will be same. So what will be the amount of potential here? First calculate that thing. So for calculating potential, what we will say? Potential is equal to Q by C. So for calculating potential, can we write that potential is Q by C? That means potential will be Q by C. That means potential will be how much? Q is how much? 20,000 picocoulomb. 20,000 picocoulomb. Divided by C is how much? 200. So 200, 0, and this will be how much? 100 volt. So on the equivalent of C1, C2 and C3, how much is the voltage? 100 volt. तो इस तीनों के equivalent पे 100 volt है. And this C1, C2 and C3 is actually connected in what? Parallel. And in parallel combination, voltage will be same. That means equal voltage distribute होगा. That means here is 100 volt. So this 100 volt will come where? Here. So यहाँ पे भी 100 volt होगा. And here also it will be 100 volt. Because in parallel, potential will be same. Clear? Now see, this is what? This is C1. This is what? This is C1. Now see the calculation of C1. On C1 capacitor, voltage is 100 volt and capacitance is 100 picofarad. Can we calculate voltage we know, capacitance we know. Can we calculate charge? Charge is what? Charge is C into V. So Q is equal to C into V. So C is how much? 100 picofarad. And what is V? 100. That means can we say 100 into 100 will be how much? 10,000 picocoulomb. So what is the charge on first capacitor? Charge on first capacitor is 10,000 picocoulomb. And what is voltage on first capacitor? 100 volt. What is voltage on first capacitor? 100 volt. Clear? Now see about this one. See about this one. C2 and C3. Here what we know. Here I am doing calculation. So C2 and C3. Here we know picofarad. Picofarad is the unit of capacitance and voltage is how much? 100 volt. So we know C, we know V, we know C, we know V. Can we calculate Q? So Q will be how much? C into V. So Q will be how much? C into V. C is how much? 100 and V is how much? 100. So 100 into 100 will be how much? This will be equal to 1.40 picocoulomb. So on the equivalent C2 और C3 के equivalent में कितना चार्ज है? 10,000 picocoulomb. On the equivalent of C2 and C3, how much is the charge? 10,000 picocoulomb. Now this C2 and C3, if you will see here back calculation again, तो C2 C3 कहाँ से है? यहाँ से है. C2 and C3 is coming from here, and here C2 and C3 is connected in series, and in series combination which thing is same? Charge will be same. तो यहाँ पे चार्ज कितना है? 10,000 picocoulomb. So here and here will be also 10,000 picocoulomb. Why? Because we know in series combination charge will be same. तो ये C2 and C3 is actually connected in series. तो यहाँ पे जितना चार्ज वही चार्ज यहाँ पे भी होगा. So here is 10,000 picocoulomb. So here will be also 10,000 picocoulomb and here will be also 10,000 picocoulomb. Clear? Now see C2. This one. On C2, we know this picofarad, we know capacitance, we know charge. Can we calculate potential? How will we calculate potential? Potential is equal to Q by C. Potential is equal to Q by C. Q is how much? 10,000 divided by V is equal to Q by C. C is 200. So 20 cancel. 100 by 2 will be 50 volt. So what is the voltage on second capacitor? 50 volt. What is the charge on second capacitor? 10,000 picocoulomb. Clear? Now see here. Where? Here. This is C3 now. This is C3. So on C3, I have calculated. No. See, on the C3, How much charge is there? 10,000 picocoulomb. How much capacitance is there? 200 picofarad. So charge we know, capacitance we know. Charge we know, capacitance we know. Can we calculate potential? Potential is equal to Q by C. Potential is equal to Q by C. How much is the Q? Q is 10,000 picocoulomb. And how much is the C? 200. So 2020 cancel. That means how much? 50 volt. How much? 50 volt. So now I will write that we have to find this thing. First question was find equivalent capacitance. So what will be the answer of equivalent capacitance? 200 by 3. How much? 200 by 3. 200 by 3 picofarad. This was the answer of equivalent capacitance. Second was find charge and capacitance, find charge and potential on each capacitor. So what will be the charge and potential on each capacitor? So for example, let's start from C1. So what is charge on C1? What is charge on C1? If I will talk about C1, so Q. Charge on C1. Charge on C1. C1 is where? Here. See. Charge on C1 is 10,000 picocoulomb. How much? 10,000 picocoulomb. So this is charge on C1. What is potential on C1? 100 volt. Here let me write charge and potential. Charge and potential on C1. Oh, let me write like this: charge and potential on C1. So tell me, on C1 charge is how much? 10,000 picocoulomb. 10,000 picocoulomb. And what is the potential here? Potential is 100 volt. 100 volt. Now again, if I will find charge and potential on C2, so where is C2? Find it. C2 is here. So what is the charge on C2? 10,000 picocoulomb. How much? 10,000 picocoulomb. And what is the potential here? Potential is 50 volt. How much is the potential? 50 volt. If I will calculate charge and potential on C3, charge and potential on C3. So if I will talk about C3, so this one is C3. Where is C3? Find it. This one is C3, right? This one is C3. So on C3, how much is there? This is 10,000 picocoulomb. How much? 10,000 picocoulomb. And how much is the volt? Volt is 50 volt. 50 volt. And if I will talk charge and potential on C4, so on the C4, if I will talk on C4 is here. On C4, how much is the charge? 20,000 picocoulomb. How much is the charge? 20,000 picocoulomb. And how much is the volt? Volt is 200 volt. How much? 200 volt. I think everything is visible in the camera. Yes, everything is visible in the camera. So this question is coming in long answer type question. So when this question will come now, this will give you 5 marks directly. So one question will give you 5 marks, and this question is oftenly coming in board exam. So what you will do, that what is in this question? That in this question first you have to break. How you will break? That you will break like this. That first you will make point A. Point A is connected with C, so connect it with C. Then from C there is a capital C3 and C from here. At point C there is 2 branches. One branch is this, one branch is this. So from C there is 2 branches. In one branch there is 2 capacitors. So 200 picofarad and 200 picofarad. 2 capacitors is there, C3 and C2, and then from C2 D point is connected. So from C2 D point is connected. Between point C and D there is another capacitor that is 100 picofarad. So between point C and D there is another capacitor that is 100 picofarad. From point D there is another capacitor that is connected between point D and point B. So from point D there is another capacitor of 100 picofarad, and the name is C4. And this capacitor is connected with a point known as B. And between point A and B, there is a potential difference 300 volt. So if you can break this figure in this, so this is a complex network. So first convert this complex network in the simple network, and then go by process. Then first calculate equivalent capacitance. So this and this capacitor is in series. So how will you calculate? We know that when two capacitor is connected in series, I am doing this one. We know that when two capacitor is connected in series, what I will do? What is the formula of equivalent capacitance in series? If suppose these two capacitors C1 and C2 is connected in series, so one formula is 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Either you can calculate using this formula, or see that can we write that 1 by C equivalent is equal to, you will take calcium, this will be C1 C2, and this one will be C2 plus C1. So C equivalent will be how much? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. That means if there will be two capacitor, remember if there is two capacitor, and when this two capacitor is connected in series, then their equivalent capacitance will be equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Using that formula, C has 200 picofarad and 200 picofarad is connected in series. Then what we will do? We will calculate the equivalent of it. How we will calculate? 200 into 200 divided by 200 plus 200. That equivalent will be 100 picofarad. So C2 and C3 का equivalent will be 100 picofarad. So I will add that C2 C3. That means this is equivalent of C2 and C3. So इस दोनों को हटा के on the place of C2 and C3 I will only place one capacitor. That means equivalent capacitor. और उसका capacitance कितना आएगा? That equivalent capacitance will be 100 picofarad. Now see that this 100 picofarad and this 100 picofarad is connected in parallel. So in parallel combination, what is the formula of equivalent capacitance? Directly C1 plus C2. So 100 plus 100 will be 200. Clear? And this is connected with 100 picofarad. So इस दोनों को हटा के we will replace it by C equivalent. So 200 and 100 picofarad now is connected in series. And in series what I will do? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So 200 into 100 divided by 200 plus 100. If you will do that, that will be 200 by 3 picofarad. Now potential we know. Equivalent capacitance we know, can we calculate charge? So Q is equal to C into V. So C is 200 by 3 into V is how much? 300. So that will cancel. That will be 20,000 picocoulomb. तो C1, C2, C3, C4 के equivalent में कितना चार्ज है? That is 20,000 picocoulomb. Clear? Now see, go in backward direction. So go in backward direction. From here you have to go here. So if I will go in backward direction, I can see that this capacitor and this capacitor is in series, and in series combination, what will happen? Charge will be same. Charge on each capacitor will be same. So whatever the charge will be here, same charge will be here. तो यही चार्ज तो ऊपर जाएगा. So if this is 20,000 picocoulomb, this will be also 20,000 picocoulomb. This will be also 20,000 picocoulomb. This capacitor is C4. तो C4 पे कितना चार्ज? 20,000 picocoulomb. कितना कैपेसिटेंस? 100 picofarad. So we know capacitance, we know charge. So can we calculate potential? Potential will be V is equal to Q by C. So Q by C that will be 200 picofarad. ऐसे C1, C2, C3 को हम बैक देखेंगे कि यह किसमें कनेक्टेड है. तो C1, C2 and C3 is actually connected in parallel, and in parallel combination what thing will be same? Potential, that is voltage will be same. So voltage will be same. Here is how much voltage? We can calculate V is equal to Q by C. So Q is this much, C is this much. So V is equal to Q by C. That will be 100 volt. And this is actually connected in parallel. तो ये दोनों किसमें है? Parallel. In parallel potential will be same. तो जितना potential यहाँ पे होगा, the same potential will be distributed here and here. So this will also get 100 volt. This will also get 100 volt. Why this both will get 100 volt? Because this is connected in parallel, and in parallel combination potential will be same. Clear? तो ऐसे back calculation करते करते we can find charge and potential on each. This question is very important question. Practice is 3 or 4 times at home. Because in this question a lot of concept will be also clear. If you will have any difficulty, then comment in comment section. I will surely reply. Maybe I can be late, but I will surely reply. And thank you. You can message me also. Please like, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Thank you once again.